Now it's the back doors of that. See that? That's what we're doing. I already did the front door. I just want to double check what the speakers are on this side. 10 mil behind trapdoor number 1 and 2. This is just a rubber. I pulled it out with this guy right here in the corner. Bloop. Same with this. Even has a little channel right there. Go in here on the corner and pop it out. 2 10 mils. Get them out. Now, grab in the corner really hard and pull all the way out. Now, just like the front, you want to squeeze these guys with this needle nose. You pull this out. This wonderful puppy right here. Enough with the puppies, I know. As usual, stupid security clip because children can get caught in here. And then you gotta squeeze this guy. So safety clip up, squeeze, pull, upward. Now let's get the speakers out. 6.5, same as the front. And here's the other part number, which is probably the same as the front. Can't imagine why they would change anything. So those are also 6 mil, like the front. Where they are, somewhere over here. There you go. But what I do want to know is what this guy is. That looks like a 3-inch. So let's get those Torx and put this guy back. And I'm gonna take this out and see what that's doing. With 2 T20s later, we have this guy dangling. Looks like a 3-inch. I bet you just an upgrade from like Rockford for this truck. The whole speaker upgrade. That'd be kind of cool. If it's out there, I'll put the link in the description. That'd be awesome. But either way, now you have it. So like it, don't like it, share it, don't share it, subscribe, don't subscribe. Thanks for watching.